Hi everyone, thanks for checking out our Kickstarter for the WordSmart Interlinking letters set. We'll have a look at a couple of sets today and go over some of their basic features and how they can be used. So on the left hand side you can see our first set comprising 72 tiles, 2 full alphabets, and this one's designed for early childhood students who are just learning their letters. So they're all single height tiles. They're all done in the Queensland beginner font that's taught in Queensland schools, but they can be used worldwide. So what we're looking at here are tiles that are 5 centimetres by 5 centimetres, made from acrylic in 5 different colours, which you'll be able to see at the bottom of our Kickstarter. So if we have a look at how these can be used, we'll grab a few tiles from the top. So students can put them out like this, and then basically the idea is that they arrange them into shapes or into words so that they can see how words are built. The tiles themselves are grooved, laser engraved, so this is actually engraved into the acrylic itself. It's not a decal or paint or anything like that, so it's not going to wear off or come loose or anything like that over time. And these sets will last a very long time, a minimum of 10 years, even if they're left outside or something like that. Because they're cut from single sheet acrylic, they're going to last for a very long time, even with the punishment that kids give them. So the idea is that kids can set them up, change letters around to see how switching a letter can change a word. And because they're engraved, children can also run their fingers along it and they can actually feel how a word should be created. So that can help with hand-eye coordination when teaching children how to actually write. So that's our first set. And our second set, as you can see, has full height letters, so that children can learn the head, body and tail system of writing. I probably should have set something up to make it a bit quicker. I can't find anything. And of course the P is hiding down the bottom, isn't it? So the second set allows children to see how these things can be set up so that head, body and tail can be demonstrated in the correct manner. Which assists students with learning how to write. So that's basically how these sets work. There's a lot more that you can do with them, but that gives you a quick understanding of how they're made and what they can do. And we recommend that children are let alone to experiment with them and come up with new ways of working. Yeah, we've just found that they're a very useful tool for teaching children who don't respond too well to in-class lessons and things like that. So for the visual and kinesthetic learners out there, we find especially that these sets are very useful for them. So once again, thank you for checking us out, and we hope you'll contribute to the project.